Hey everybody, it's BJ, and it is a Tuesday news day. It's a really good news day. It's a Tuesday news day. It's a Tuesday news day, and Stitch and Stampede and Missouri Star. I don't know, I threw that.
That was funny. I liked it.
Well, thanks. Hannah's behind the camera. I'm out here. We're going to give you kind of a little lay of the land if you're coming to Birthday Bash, and we sure hope you are because it's a lot of fun. So like I say, I'm outside what is normally just called the theater, but it is going to be the Patchwork Playhouse. So when you see that on your information, oh, we got a big truck coming by. It's all right. Hey, things are happening here in Hamilton, folks. You want to come into the Patchwork Playhouse for some of your stuff. Now out front here to, well, over on this side, Hannah, this where there's nothing right now, this will be closed off. This whole road will be closed, and this will be over on this side is going to be where we do the cakewalks. Now where Hannah's showing you now, that's where the vendor village will be. And then if you show them that little White House again, Hannah,
oh, yes,
that's the JCPenney boyhood home.
Yes, it is.
Yeah,
very
pretty
cute.
cool. Yeah, and they're putting see all the construction work they're doing. They're putting a statue that's going to go up, I think, the weekend after Birthday Bash.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, for JCPenney.
So it's not going to be done before Birthday Bash?
No, it didn't get coordinated anyway, but it'll be done after Birthday Bash, from what I understand. So anyway, but let's go inside. Let's kind of go on a little tour. I don't know. How do you want me to do this, Hannah?
Oh,
How about this?
Let's just go check it out.
Hey, did you see this is my Western shirt?
Oh, cute.
Do you see the
my
cactus?
gosh, they're cactus.
Yes. Can you get the full cacti? All right, well, let's go into the Patchwork Playhouse here. Try and keep me looking thin if you can there, Hannah. I appreciate
I'll do my best.
So if you haven't been into this building before, this was originally a movie theater and built in 1949 and operated until, I think, the mid to late 70s as an actual movie theater, and then it became a community playhouse and some things like that. And then we acquired it, I think, about 8 or 9 years ago.
Yeah.
So, and then we've been working on it and making it usable for what we do. And it's still available for the community because our high school doesn't have a performing arts center. And so they use it for their productions. And we'll show you the theater here in a minute. But I'm sorry, the Patchwork Playhouse. Huh?
Yeah.
Anyway, all right. So when we're like at the tail end of a Doan Girls retreat going on. So they're not here right now. But let's where do you want to go? Let's take you to the back here.
Yeah, let's go check out the classroom.
Oh, that's going to be the Demo Depot.
Oh,
Hannah.
The Demo Depot?
Yeah. Hey, sorry my back's to you.
No, it's okay.
Huh? But I don't know if people have been in here before, but there's lots of quilts and things that we've got lined down the walls. But the Demo Depot, when you're finding that, if you're coming to Birthday Bash, it's going to be back here, which we call it all the time education space. But I like Demo Depot. It may stick. We may just leave it that forever.
Yeah, Demo Depot is pretty cute.
I love it. So come on in back here. And so this is where we'll have, demos set up, different designers and different makers and things like that will be in here throughout, the days of Birthday Bash, which is the 17th through the 20th of September. Mm-hmm. And it's going to be a lot of fun. So
yeah, I'm so excited.
Are you going to be doing the thing you normally do, the top secret thing?
Yep.
Okay, nice. Well, if you see Chuck, it's Hannah. So anyway, I gave it away.
Be all sneaky about it, and then
I gave it away. But anyway, I wanted to show you guys kind of the lay of the land here, and so you knew, at least when you got here, you'd know it's like Demo Depot. Where is that?
Yeah.
Well, this is it. So, and it'll be configured different and have all the things. You want to go onto the stage?
Yeah, sure.
To the backstage, super secret backstage door?
Yeah, let's go check it out. Let's see something that we haven't seen before.
Well, it's not that secret, but come on in here. So, yeah, this is normally like when Misty and Natalie and Jenny, they have a green room down there, mm-hmm. And then they'll come in here and then enter the stage right here. Let's go on and you'll hear the roar of the crowd. And the crowd goes mild. Anyway.
Then the crowd is silent.
There's nobody here right now, but we just had this morning, Misty taught one of her classes, mm-hmm. For the Doan Girls retreat out here, and then we put it on the TVs, and they teach down there, so it works out really well. But this is our Patchwork Playhouse, and if folks have gotten tickets to the different events, There's some free events that are in here as well, but there's a lot of ticketed events, and this is where you'll be coming and checking the place out. So
it's very fun. Definitely be careful walking in, because I don't know if you can see it, but right there, sorry for my finger, right there is the just like a little bump out, a little catch.
Oh yeah.
And I have seen people trip and fall on it.
Yeah,
so just
I noticed
be
that. Yeah.
wary of it, because it always it's gotten me before.
Yeah,
it's gotten me a couple times.
Yeah, like I said, it was built in 1949. None of that's been changed. The seats have been changed out at some point long before we had the building. But yeah, that's true. Maybe I need to paint that orange or something.
Yeah, maybe. Because I have definitely almost eaten it a couple times.
We don't need that, Hannah. Be careful.
I know.
So what else is going on as far as birthday bash is coming up? There's things that are happening as far as, oh man, so many events. And I know Lisa, that was on I think last week, talked about, she had a hat. Is my hat better? Let's take a look at me.
Let's take a look.
If I was thinking about Western, oh, you want a whole spin?
A whole spin. Beautiful.
I'm sure that was very graceful.
It was.
But what was I talking about?
Oh,
anyway. Oh no, just the different Instagrammable moments.
Yes.
And I was like, what does that even mean? Is it like places you take pictures? That's what it means. So yeah, so there'll be all sorts of Instagrammable moments around town, and different things set up. There's going to be some things here in the theater as well, and things, like I said, scattered around. So you want to make sure you do that. Those don't cost you anything. Just get your gang together and get in there and get a picture, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. So that'll be a good time. I know there's still some tickets for some of the ticketed events still available.
They should be. You can find that out on our website. If you go to events, and then if you go check out the Don't Grow Retreat, we'll have, or not the Don't Grow Retreat, sorry, Birthday Bash.
The Stitch and Stampede.
Yeah, the Stitch and Stampede. You'll find all the events that you can get tickets for.
Yeah, so there are a few of those. And again, there's a few that are non-ticketed, and those will be free, and it's just first come. I think we can seat about 300 people in this theater. So once it's full, Fire Marshal Bill shows up and goes, "That's it, no more." So
who's Fire Marshal Bill?
I don't know. Just
is it you?
It's me. Might be me. All right, people. But anyway, so we have a lot of fun in this theater, and like I said, we're looking forward to everybody coming to Birthday Bash for sure. Also, we have got the Christmas box.
Oh yes, the Christmas box.
That's coming up.
We are the second payment is due. The final payment for the box is due September 3rd. So if you have yet to pay your second payment, or even order the box, make sure you get it in before the 3rd of September.
Of September, right?
Yep.
Sorry, I was thinking, wait, it's already September. No, it's not. Okay.
So I think it's in 2 weeks, maybe.
Well, that sounds right. People have calendars; they can figure it out. But anyway, just get it in before the 3rd of September. So, and then I think there's going to be some other exciting thing coming up with that as well, as far as the Jenny box.
Oh
stuff.
yeah.
Oh, I can't tell you.
Oh, okay.
I don't know. I'm just making stuff up. But anyway, I think that's all that's going on. I really just kind of wanted to give you a lay of the land out here in the big Hamilton and Stitch and Stampede. We're all very excited for Birthday Bash to be coming up. And have we missed anything, Hannah?
I don't think so. I think
we're not going to end up in an office in a meeting with people telling us what we did wrong.
I hope not.
That never happened. I'm just teasing. But anyway, I think we got it all right. So anyway, folks, come and see us. We love you all, and we hope you have a great day. Bye-bye.